Tutorial, we're going to look at how to write monologues, which are the intro and outro portion of what's read to give us context about our segments. A monologue is a short script. It doesn't have to be long. That consists of 4 to 7 sentences. This is going to include an overview of what's going on, examples of the issue or anecdotes, data, a summary of what the segment people will accomplish, and also an outro that has some future impact. For instance, here is an example of the sheriff being elected in the primaries. Reading this and other ones will get you certain things. So, when it happened on Tuesday, the sheriff was elected the Democratic nominee. He has over 5 years of experience. We're getting all of that from here. It's very simple stuff, summarizing a little bit of the statistics that are going on, and then how the crew set out to, who they talked to, how they went out getting more info. Because a lot of the other info is going to come in the actual interviews. That's going to be the bulk of where we get our information. Very important. A outro is not just thanks for watching. An outro is going to have some future impact or some context of where to find more information. For instance, the sheriff will now face Republican nominee. This is going to be future stuff. So it's not just thanks for watching. That is not an outro.